Andre, and today I made an elephant, and this is how it works. I used 30 pieces, and then
Okay.
it was hard to make because it doesn't says it needs this motor. No, this what was that called?
Motion sensor.
This motion sensor, and the easiest part is.
I think this is the hardest part yet.
Oh, the hardest part is. No, I already said it. The easiest part is like putting the feet on, the legs on. Oh, am I done now?
Then what's your favorite part?
My favorite part is I don't know.
You have to say, I don't really know.
I don't really know. Oh, I know. My favorite thing is like trying this out.
Then, is there anything you want to say?